If you want to completely delete your Telegram account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can remove your Telegram account permanently and make sure you know exactly what to expect before you confirm anything. This is a simple process, but there are a few important details you should pay attention to, especially because once the account is deleted, your chats, groups, and account data may no longer be recoverable. So if you're ready, let's go through it together. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more clear tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it keeps you updated with more useful how-to guides. First, open your browser and go to my.telegram.org/auth. This is the official Telegram account management page, and it's where you'll handle account-related actions like signing in and deleting your account. Once the page loads, you'll see a field asking for your phone number. Enter the phone number connected to your Telegram account and make sure you include the correct country code. This part is very important because if the number is entered incorrectly, you won't receive the confirmation code and you won't be able to continue. After entering your number, click Next. Telegram will then send a confirmation code to your Telegram app. Now switch over to the Telegram app on your phone or desktop and look for the message containing the login code. Copy that code carefully. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check the correct account. Once you have the code, return to the website and enter it into the sign-in field. After you sign in successfully, you'll be taken to your Telegram account management options. From here, look for and click Delete Account. This is the section that allows you to permanently remove the account from Telegram's system. Before you continue, just double-check that you really want to proceed, because this action is not something you typically undo. Next, Telegram may ask you to enter a reason for deleting your account. This step is optional, so you can type a reason if you want, or leave it blank if you prefer. After that, click Delete My Account. This is the final action that tells Telegram you want to move forward with permanent deletion. At this point, Telegram will usually show one last confirmation prompt. Read it carefully, and if you're sure, confirm the deletion. Once you do that, your Telegram account will be permanently removed. That means your profile, messages, and associated account access will be deleted according to Telegram's process. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your Telegram account from the official Telegram website in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides, app tutorials, and account management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.